What is up? Matt Pratt here. Got the 240 out, actually in the rain. Weather's supposed to get better, but today I'm actually going to attend Pure Function's second annual little car meet. So before I go to this meet, I got a couple things I got to do at work. I'm going to try to change some fluids in this thing. I can't tell you the last time I changed my oil. I can't tell you the last time I changed my trans fluid, and lately this transmission has had a little whine. Of course, while it's up in the air, I'm just going to check for anything loose under there, make sure everything's snug. A little bit of rain. Kind of scary because I have no wipers. Well, got a little bit of oil leaking. It looks like it blows back onto the trans, so that's something I have to address later. Let's see what we got going on here. I see a little bit of axle grease up in here, but I have to get a flashlight. I can't see why it's coming out. I might have a small rip in the boot. All looks pretty normal. Diff looks good in there. It does clunk. That's because I think the bushings are dead. Checking the transmission. Everything feels solid. I don't see any signs of bolts backing out or anything. Looks all good. Yeah, so the only thing I see out of the normal is a little bit more oil than normal. So, I don't think I'm gonna worry about it. I think I'll address that later. I had an issue at work and everything.
It's all good, man.
Dude, I had these wheels on my Evo back in the day. I love them. Paid them pearl white.
up, bro?
Damn, so this is it?
That's it, man. It'd be a lot better once I got all the GPR and stuff on there.
Dude, you got an R34.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't care what goes on with it. They painted this on?
Yeah.
Wow.
A little bit on.
Yeah.
It's just not too
I want this door to crush her. Take it easy. How about head jump? Looks like the fastest car here, I bet. And this is Ryan Scott, the guy running this whole thing.
Dude, I'm pumped right now. I'm on this channel right now. Do you know how excited? This is my favorite videos right
His
now.
YouTube is Pure Function, and this is his car. You probably, I just bragged about it a whole lot. He don't even know. But anyways, he's like me. He just works in his house, working on his own car, is doing his own thing. I mean, you pretty much put your own motor in there and everything.
Yeah, I did everything myself. There's a non-turbo W58 car that is now T56 Magnum OS Geigen.
Everything. It's pretty much how mine was.
Except with a lot crappier bodywork. I wish I had bodywork skills like Matt had.
You haven't seen mine
artwork.
up close yet.
That's artwork, man. No.
Mine looks good on YouTube. But anyways, yeah, he builds his car at home just like you guys, you know. So that's the one thing I try to push.
No, and you do
working on your own damn cars, you know.
And you do a great job of that, man. Like I watch your videos religiously because it's like, I don't know, I gravitate towards that. I don't like I don't know how to explain it, like the TJ Hunts and the NMLZs, okay? I love that. I don't gravitate towards it because it's not homegrown. Like you're sitting there working, you're grinding, and you show everything. I wish I did as good of a job as you do because you show every single detail. And I sit there and she's like, she gets bored. I'm like, dude, I love every minute of this because I learned so much when I watch your videos.
And that's the thing. When I used to hate YouTube and YouTubers, and then I found out how successful they're being and how you go through the comments, so many people are influenced. I'm like, this is the wrong type of influence.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I was like, I got to do something. I had a little bit of editing background and everything like that. I was like, I think I can do this. And I started, and we're learning. and it's not doing bad. You know what I mean?
No, dude, you're doing a great job.
It's satisfying. So
no, I said I give you one criticism. The only time
you were the OGs. I love criticism. You know what I mean?
Same
like,
way. I look constructive criticism.
Yeah, I want to hear it. Like, tell me what you think. Let's discuss it and experiment with it. And if it makes it better,
Yeah.
You know. So, but anyways, go follow his channel. This is the OG Supra guy. I mean, he's got tons of Supra friends. I got like 2.
Dude, you got Freed Engineering. They're like the kings.
Yeah. I mean,
Freed, what's up, bro? What's good?
No, those guys are the kings, and so on. But yeah, this is gnarly. Like, I've never seen so many in one spot. I can't wait till I have mine, and we can all cruise together and do Supra things.
That's fine. I'm still bringing the FD out.
We got RX-7 people over here. We got RX-7 people over here.
Nah, I was talking to him earlier. Because I want to
let y'all have
I want an RX-7 too in my garage, you know. Tires smoke a different color. So how much power does this thing make? I know you probably get asked that all the time.
I do, and I never have to.
Really?
Every time you put it on the track, something happens.
It's good. This is Hagerstown, right? Mm-hmm. We've been to this place a few times. Okay, maybe once. So cool to see like an old school town like this that isn't Baltimore, Ellicott City, or whatever we're used to hearing. Like, there's so many cool little towns like this that are old school. Look at that, it looks like a castle. That are in Maryland. Really cool. Crazy how deep the history goes. Love exploring, especially driving around in my 240. And we got that easy parallel park job. I'm gonna check out a few restaurants around here. Pretty cool. An hour and a half later in the rain, we made it. I wonder how gross my car is from driving in the rain. It's not that bad. All right, I just want to thank Ryan again for being so welcoming to me. Like, he's always supported me, calling me out on Instagram and everything. It's really awesome. I feel like that I'm actually putting out a really good video when you got experienced OG YouTubers complimenting you so much. It's really cool, really good feeling. And like I said, again, give Ryan a follow. That guy is the OG Supra YouTuber. I've been watching him forever. I mean, I damn near watched him build that car from the ground up. I don't think I really caught the beginning of it, but I caught a lot of it. And he is one of those guys that builds his car in his garage, you know, just like you can. And that is like what I like pushing so much about my channel, is that I might have like a big ass garage at the moment. I've worked myself up to that, but I used to just wrench on the street anywhere, and I finally got up to this point, and you can too. Anyways, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna edit this video. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that cool stuff, and I'll see y'all next episode.